In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QR Pay in the Binance app. As we navigate through this straightforward process, you'll find that making transactions becomes a breeze. So let's dive right in and see how you can utilize this feature to its fullest potential. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a small icon resembling three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it and you'll be presented with various options. Among these options, look for an icon shaped like a small square with a cross running through it, the scan icon. Go ahead and tap this icon to initiate the QR scanning feature. Now we're moving on to the next step, scanning the recipient's Binance Pay QR code. To perform this step, simply point your phone's camera at the QR code that the recipient provides. Ensure you have good lighting and that the QR code fits well within the frame on your camera screen. The app will automatically recognize the code and prepare the recipient's details for the transaction. This method provides a seamless experience, removing any hassle associated with manually inputting details and reducing errors. With the QR code now successfully scanned, it's time to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. In the Binance app, you'll find a selection of cryptocurrencies available for transactions. Select the desired crypto, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported currency, and then proceed to enter the amount you want to send. Make sure you carefully double check the amount, verifying that everything is correct, as you wouldn't want any mishaps during this process. Once you're confident everything checks out, tap the confirm button to move forward. The final step in this process involves an important security measure. To complete your payment, you'll need to enter your PIN or provide two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. This additional layer of security ensures that your transactions are protected, keeping your assets safe from unauthorized access. After entering the required information, the payment will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation letting you know everything has been successfully completed. And there you have it, using QR Pay in the Binance app is as simple as that. By following these steps, you have now effectively streamlined the way you handle crypto payments, capitalizing on both convenience and security. Hope this guide helps you to make your transactions smoother and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in and happy crypto trading.